Alright, so we're in Mayreau. That's a French vessel. This is Mayreau. So, as a French vessel, we can take all that stuff and get it distributed. So we're here with the team. So that's what we got. Mayreau. Who's that supposed to be? We don't know. We don't know.
We had one yesterday from Patrick from 26 to Patrick.
Oh, okay.
That's all this one is doing.
Alright. Okay, go.
Okay, 32 houses in wood are completely gone.
Right.
This yellow house right here, we have got 11 houses like this that are concrete build that need a total rebuild. Of the 89 houses, 69 do not have roofs. So the majority of almost all houses have damage, but 69 of them with no roofs, 11 more probably have to demolish, and then the wood houses need to be totally rebuilt because there's nothing there.
Okay. Was there any casualties on the island?
Pardon?
Was there any casualties?
No. Well, not yet. We have only one critical condition. Four, but three are doing fine. Holland, our garbage man, got pretty badly damaged. He's up at the mainland.
Okay, so yeah.
Robert Righteous place. This here was Island Paradise.
Oh, wow.
It's completely gone. Completely gone. Do you want me to go in here? Sorry, it's okay. See, this was here. There's 4 or 5 wooden houses here. They're just gone. Shacks. Thank you. Thank you, man. That's the Mayreau community. A lot of these guys, you didn't have to clean that gutter out.
That's true.
You can sit around. That's our message. Anybody who's here, we have to do the work together.
Morning, morning.
I'm going to park you for a second because I need to show you this.
Okay.
Come with me. We had 4 shelters
Okay.
that we were putting people in. We wanted to get everybody out of their homes.
Right.
Almost all the people went. The Catholic Church we thought was one of the safest places. We had 26 people in this building. 26. None of them are dead.
Thank the Lord, that roof came in.
We had them over in the side room. They had to evacuate into the center section downstairs. They all thought they were going to die.
Oh, that's metal
Yeah.
beams, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, they was flying everywhere.
Wow.
This was like the icon of tourism for here.
Right.
We have to rebuild it.
This is like, this thing just blew up the stones and
It threw the stones. It broke it through the stones.
If you go to the back, the view is amazing to the back of
Yeah.
this show.
not anymore.
But you know what?
But it's a good thing to go and see.
Almost every tourist who came to this island would come visit this church and walk and look at this view.
Oh, wow.
When you look at this view, you would never imagine that 3 days ago it was.
More. Oh, wow.
This right here is probably going to save us in the months to come. This is a water catchment because we can't catch water off the roofs because we have no roofs.
So it goes down
Water
into there.
catchment here and here.
Okay.
They're okay down below. They look good.
Right.
Because when we run out of relief water, we're not going to get ships like France every week.
Right, that's
We're going to run out of water.
Have
When we
to
run out
catch.
of water, people have to have something to drink.
Right.
That's why as well we need to tell people it's going to take us probably a few months to get back.
Right.
So people that are here need to stay and help that can. I mean, look at it. You'd never know. If you
Oh,
look
you
up
can see
there,
the ground, see the dirt.
yeah.
This is an awesome view. Wow, wow, wow.
Well, let me show you over here.
Careful.
This is where we had 26 people. The 26 people went around through that door and they hid in there.
Wow. No loss of life. Wow.
No. The Union lost life.
Yeah.
They have 3,300.
Yeah, I think one person died.
It's a combination.
It's rough. It's rough. And this is where they relocated in here. Wow. This Union. Oh, guys.
Hey, what are your first thoughts?
No words. No words. It's total destruction. I mean, even the trees. All those old beautiful trees, you know?
You should see our tower.
Yeah. I mean, I saw even this one here. It's so beautiful. It's
I'm amazed
unbelievable.
that end building stayed. Look.
What is that building?
That's our place here.
Oh.
Buildings here.
Oh, we're going to stop and see these guys?
Yeah.
It's, they are with the Sedima. Okay, yes.
Yes, yes.
Sedima.
Let's stop.
Back it up.
This is where we're stocking all of the provisions. We'll use this as the center to be able to distribute.
Okay.
You know, I'm so glad that Miss Grace is not here anymore. You know,
Oh, she would have died.
She would have.
So this is Miss Grace's house. The owner of
over
the
there,
island.
over there,
Oh,
over there,
over
over
there. The other one.
This is why I'm here.
Oh, okay.
Back there.
The pink one.
Yeah, the pink, no, not the pink one. The one even
The green
behind,
one.
the bigger
Oh,
one
okay.
there.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah,
Got it. Got it.
All the
Okay.
girls.
Okay. So we got Miss Grace. All right. So that's kind of
on
one.
that side.
And the two biggest keys.
Oh, it's on the other
On
side.
it.
The biggest.
Tobago keys. Okay. Okay. Got it. So we're learning the island, but a lot of stuff is going on.
Flew down
So
there.
those are containers. And where's the other one?
No, it was full of stuff.
Right there. It flew down there.
Oh man, the docker, it's done. Oh, it's
Their place is done. Their place is done.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's crazy.
All right.
Oh my god. You know, because I think people are still kind of like in a state of
Sorry. No problem.
shock. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh.
As the island has always been,
Oh. I know.
been dry over here. Or it's
No,
just-
because it was the rainy season, so I
That's a
We
sign?
don't have houses, but we have a sign. That's my sign. But it's down there. Yes.
But the mosaic and the letters didn't fly off.
What? I made a little mosaic. There was a house here.
Yeah, that was one of the wood houses.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow. So sorry.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, it's the hot donkey. Yes, the donkey.
Oh. No. Hey, little kitty cat. You made it to the storm. You got 9. Now you got 8 lives left.
My cat, that must have been like 6.
That's Stroops.
Is that Garfield? No, Garfield is brown.
Orange and black.
Yeah.
And we come and watch you and video like you don't get no food.
Yes.
I love cats.
It's very rough. Oh boy. Oh, so these are friends home. Oh goodness.
And you have other things that just blew all the way out.
Wow.
Not understandable.
Oh. Oh wow.
The deck, the whole deck made it. Not the railing, not the rock pillars even blew off.
Wow. Oh yeah. Wow. Man, that's crazy. And that was our tamarind tree. It was so
Well,
beautiful.
let's go down by the bungalow and you can see
This
from there.
lady house made it, but the tower broke off.
No, the tower's that.
That was
Just
it.
that
That was
so-
good.
She
But
said
it
it
had
was
on some.
Well,
the antennas and the.
They had the disc and thing. They can put that back. It's good. The structure stayed.
The houses and the police there.
Yeah.
Owens.
Yeah. Rose's,
Yeah, oh, it's-
Rose's house.
Yeah.
We haven't even had time to pick things up.
Say again?
I've been so busy with the village. I haven't even cleaned up my own stuff yet.
How much watching up on that?
So sorry.
Sorry, I didn't clean up before. If I would have known you come.
And the sad thing is, I have to go twice at 4 in the morning. I'm seeing lights down here.
Oh, people are coming.
Yeah, that's
I
not.
gotta
that's
come down
not
with
good.
the dog. People get desperate,
Yeah.
but it's not cool.
Salvaging. They're trying to salvage.
Everybody's,
Yeah, in the same situation.
you would want to secure these, don't you use them?
They have water in it.
No, it's a water.
Oh wow.
Wow.
I like these.
Yeah.
Oh, careful. Step over.
I think seeing it.
Rock wall of the shower blew off.
It's just that it takes so long. It's so long a garden to grow here.
11 years.
That's true.
Oh,
To get because
Roofing from the other house. That's right, the same color.
I wonder if they had a hutch.
So we finish offloading. Once it comes here, there you go. Careful. Wow. And we're gonna stay right here and let them take that picture.
Yeah, they glory.
And that was a friendship. Supplies just coming in.
See, we go see what me cook close to my children.
Alright, so packing and sorting.
Everything is going to get cataloged and distributed. Hopefully to start sometime today.
So we're sorting and we're cataloging. Good morning. How you doing? We're from mainland.
Here's the street. So we've got a crew that is handling a lot of the logistics, transport.
These are the items that came in, partially distributed. So will be inventory and distributed accordingly on here. So tell me what part of the island is called?
This is Salt Whistle Day.
Whistle
We're coming in through the back of Salt Whistle Day.
Oh, okay. This is most of the yachties, everything comes in.
That's where they are. They're actually starting to come back.
Oh, okay.
And this is his moat to keep people to come.
And very effective.
He filled it full of sewage so that people wouldn't walk over this place to go to the internet.
Cheeky Australians.
I'm gonna watch out, buddy.
Oh,
Watch
there's a lot
out.
more where that came from.
So we got the Aussies on board.
Come on.
We also have security, so
He
there's
just
no
wants the attention, the dog wants attention, and as he's not getting it, he's... Come on, people!
Yeah, this is the stinkiest mud puddle on the island. Don't walk through it.
Here we go.
This
Okay,
is
so
Windward. Windward Mayreau Resort. We're nearing completion. It's been a 4-year,
Okay.
15 bungalows and a beach club, restaurant, etc.
Nice.
We actually survived quite well. There's no structural damage to the buildings.
Okay.
It's a little exception right here. We did a unique build structure. We also got a new beach of about 2 feet of sand, which you're
Extra
delighted
beach.
with.
Extra
Yeah.
beach. Wow.
Thank you, man, upstairs. Yeah, it was really actually a lovely beach. But we still have quite a bit of cleanup to do. We've got a crew down here working on that right now.
Okay, cool.
And I would just have to say that we couldn't do all this work without partnership.
Right.
And I think Cameron's been a key partner. Also, we had a group of people come down, incredible. Man, if they hadn't come down, I don't know what we would have done.
There you go.
And then we have a few homeless Rasta guys walking on the property. Rasta vagrants from here to there. You what? That's actually a sign.
You gotta see his sign.
That's not, that was, I had set those up to protect my glass.
Right.
It worked for an hour and then they blew off. That's the point where I thought I was going to die, pretty much. But this withstood 150, they
So
all
this
withstood
is
150 mile an hour
150 miles an hour.
direct hit.
All right, let's go take a look. See. I'm behind you.
So you could just get on right here.
Okay.
So those are the bungalows. This product that we built, if you look over here, it's called magnesium oxide structural insulation panels.
Oh,
Magnesium oxide, it's like cement board, but kind of stronger. It has fiberglass in it, and it's glued to rigid EPS foam.
Okay.
So it has incredible insulating properties. This can handle snow.
Right.
Shear wall, so it won't damage. It doesn't move. It vibrates a little bit. The other double panes, we only lost like 3 windows on the whole property.
Okay.
Fairly robust. That's Sterling up there.
Thanks, Elon.
We lost pretty much every, we lost.
How big is the property? How big is the property? How big is it?
3.4 acres.
Okay.
Yeah. And you saw we just lost some membrane here and on the bungalows. So it's just mostly a cleanup for us.
Okay.
And all the free sand.
All right.
You guys see it? No, all lowercase, Mayreau lives.
Okay. That's it, guys. We're going to sign off from right here. We'll back in a second.